Tool life is a critical aspect of the manufacturing industry, as it refers to the duration of time that a cutting tool can be used before it needs to be replaced. The longer the tool life, the more efficient and cost-effective the manufacturing process becomes. Tool life is affected by various factors, including the type of material being cut, the cutting speed, the feed rate, and the tool's coating. To optimize tool life, manufacturers must carefully select the appropriate cutting tools and adjust the cutting parameters to ensure that the tools are not subjected to excessive wear and tear. To extend tool life, manufacturers can use various techniques, such as lubrication, cooling, and tool coatings. Lubrication and cooling help to reduce friction and heat, which can cause the tool to wear out quickly. Tool coatings, such as titanium nitride or diamond-like carbon, can provide a protective layer that reduces wear and tear. Additionally, manufacturers can use advanced cutting tools, such as carbide or ceramic tools, which are more durable and can withstand higher temperatures and cutting speeds. Berkness Company, a manufacturing company that specializes in custom metal fabrication, understands the importance of tool life in the manufacturing process. With over 60 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has developed a reputation for delivering high-quality products and services to its clients. The company's team of skilled engineers and technicians uses advanced tools and techniques to optimize tool life and ensure that the manufacturing process is as efficient and cost-effective as possible. Berkness Company offers a wide range of services, including metal fabrication, welding, machining, and assembly. The company's state-of-the-art facility is equipped with the latest tools and equipment, allowing them to handle projects of any size and complexity. Whether you need a single prototype or a large-scale production run, Berkness Company can provide the expertise and resources you need to get the job done right. If you're interested in learning more about how Berkness Company can help you optimize tool life and improve your manufacturing process, visit the company's Contact Us page on their website. You can fill out a form to request more information or schedule a consultation with one of their experts. With Berkness Company's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, you can trust that your project is in good hands. FAQs. 1. What is tool life in manufacturing? Tool life refers to the duration of time that a cutting tool can be used effectively before it becomes dull or worn out. It is an important factor in manufacturing as it affects the quality of the finished product, the efficiency of the manufacturing process, and the cost of production. 2. How is tool life measured in manufacturing? Tool life can be measured in a number of ways, including the number of parts produced before the tool needs to be replaced, the amount of time the tool can be used before it needs to be replaced, or the amount of material that can be removed before the tool becomes dull. Manufacturers may also use various monitoring and analysis tools to track tool wear and predict when a tool will need to be replaced. 3. What factors affect tool life in manufacturing? Several factors can affect tool life in manufacturing, including the type of material being cut, the cutting speed and feed rate, the coolant or lubricant used, the tool geometry and coating, and the machine tool and cutting conditions. Manufacturers must carefully consider these factors when selecting cutting tools and designing manufacturing processes to optimize tool life and minimize production costs. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.